our player of the game, Leah, winning for Rosita Victorero, Zach Tokyo, Paul's daughter. With us, Coach, congratulations. You forced a winner-take-all game 5. But in this game, what is the importance to you nung palagi mong sinasabi sa players mo, Coach, na whether you're up or down 30 points, you want to see them grind out every possession?
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to thank Lord Jesus Christ for this W. And thankful to the players because of the mindset, because of the focus, and nandun sa board ko nandun sa start ng pre-game namin. It's all about believing, and in order for us to win the war, we need to grind for 53 minutes. And I think my players was so focused, and they wanted to have another chance on Saturday.
Now, Paul, last game you were limited to just 6 points, 2 out of 9 from the field, 22% shooting percentage. Today, backs against the wall, isa ka sa may pinaka-maraming playoffs experience dito sa team na to. Was it your personal goal to really have a bounce-back game, not just for the team, but for you personally?
Siguro, I'll just stay lucky. Gawin ko lang yung routine ko kung ano yung ginagawa ko everyday. Make sure na relax lang ako, especially yung mind ko. And just embrace the moment. And especially yung physicality. So I think focus lang ako every possession. And we're very happy na lahat kami laser focused to tonight. Grabe yung focus talagang pinakita namin. Hindi na namin inisip yung last game na nangyari sa amin. So, yun, binigyan lang namin ng chance yung sarili namin, luckily nakuha namin.
Open the floor to questions.
Coach, kumusta naman yung medyo controversial yung game 3, but how did the team, paano mo describe how the team handled yung controversy afterwards? Kasi based from the result of the game, talagang back to business agad kayo
Nag-start sa akin. I mean, after the game, on that moment, I talked to the players to forget about everything. We lost our control, we lost our motion, yung out of control kami nung. Actually, it's not only me, but all of buong team, halos. So, we talk about it after 12 midnight, all the frustrations na nangyari doon sa game na yon, kakalimutan namin. And we will go to the practice the next day with a different mindset and a positive attitude. Because, sabi ko lang sa kanila, maganda lang sa series, best of 5. So, they need to win 3 games. Nakakadalawa pa lang sila, and thankful to the players because they understand the situation, and we've been here before. We've been here a lot of times, in the experience, I think, and the veteran players like Paul, Mark, and Ian, they know how to do it, and they talk to the players, and I think siguro yung approach namin very different. Yesterday, even in the yung sa film session namin, talagang nakapokus lahat, and everyone wants to at least to give us ourselves a chance.
Coach, mo si Lucero, and was it a concern na wala siya kanina kasi nga ang ganda na nilaro niya last game?
Yeah, it's a concussion. I mean, that's protocol, and medyo masakit yung ulo niya. We need to see the doctor tomorrow for CT scan, and then if he's good, I think he will be play on Saturday. So I think we have at least 3 days to prepare for another do or die game.
Paul, ang Magnolia silang pinakamaraming 4-point shots na nagagawa. Siyempre si Jeric, siya din pinakamarami as players. Kayo ni Jeric, back-to-back force ng second quarter, parang doon nag-trigger yung pull away nyo. Okay na itong 4-point shot naging weapon siya in this type of game?
Ever since naman doon naman kami tumitira talaga ni Jeric. So nagkataon lang talaga nagkaroon ng 4-point shot. And again, before the conference start, sinabi namin na ma-maximize talaga namin if we got the opportunity, titira namin. Pero we're not gonna look for it. Pero again, if we have a chance, gagawin namin.
Paul, may mga games kasi na marami kang assist, parang double-double.
Yeah.
Ngayon ba talagang in-effortan mo na talagang, sige, i-score ako this game?
Hindi naman, I think, the way they play us, yung depensa din nila, most of the time, my defender go under a lot of times, yung start ng laro. And then I connected like 4 points. Nag-iba yung depensa nila, they're going on a switch. So just take advantage of that, and yun.
Coach, good evening. Well, the two victories of Magnolia in the quarterfinals ended in lopsided fashion. Now, can Magnolia do it the issue in the winner take all game 5?
I think, I don't know kung ano pa, but we just try to rest first and think about by tomorrow. But I think it's a player's game. Lagi ko naman sinasabi yan eh. In a do or die game, it must be the players who will try to perform. But we have an X and O. But again, it boils down to the player's execution.
The momentum in advantage is on the side of Magnolia. Okay, now, what are your plans for game 5? Are all the veterans will step up in your import that is scored in the last game, 45 points, can do it again?
The momentum is, I think for the game 5, naniniwala ako, my opinion, there's no such thing na momentum during the do or die game because both teams are eager and they have the will to overcome whatever happens in the previous games. But again, sabi ko nga, we will try to prepare hard and we don't know what anong lalabas doon sa viewing namin, sa film sessions.
Thank you.
We just want to rest our minds and our bodies. That's the most important thing right now. Rest our minds and our bodies for the next 3 days so that we are good to go on Saturday.
Thank you so much. All the best in game 5.
Thank you.
All right, that's it for our post-game press conference. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you, everyone. Sumutok. Tokyo. Okay, go. Ito pa. Tokyo. Hello.